Hello everyone, dear friends. I'm Mila Serdyukova. Today I'm broadcasting from the Moscow office and I'd like to talk with you a little about the upcoming event. MLCI Marathon 260 is a training, an exclusive product of our company. First of all, in order for a person to make all their dreams, desires and goals come true, they need to know what to strive for. And most importantly, what steps they need to take to achieve that goal. And today, there are many trainings, schools, courses out there, where we can use the experience gained by our already successful company or a person to build the logic of how we can achieve our objective. Unfortunately, there are many trainings which are, let's just say, passive. That is, a person gains knowledge, but without putting it into practice, that knowledge just stays in their head. I call such people libraries. They have lots of knowledge, but unfortunately, they don't apply that knowledge in their real lives. The training that we created is called MLCI Marathon 260, and it is intended for those people who truly want their most ambitious dreams and desires to come true this year. This training is designed in a way that you will have access to the top earners in our company. You will have access to the best coaches, and for 8 months you are going to receive information how to start building your business correctly. There will be lots of topics related to investing, finance and personal development. You will be able to plunge into and embrace the strategy of building a successful business. And most importantly, you will have your mentors and your coaches nearby. For 8 months, as I said, you will have a direct access to all the leaders of our company, who speak not only Russian, but English, Italian, Hindi, Vietnamese. You will indeed receive quite a diverse experience, learn from the experience of all countries and try to apply it in your structures. What is important is that this training allows you to put your skills into practice. If we compare this training to Master Profi, for example, their structures are similar. But the big difference is that MLCI Marathon 260 is a practice-oriented training. As soon as we learn a technique or a strategy, together we are going to immediately put it into test. We are going to write down plans and implement them right away. In other words, dear friends, you will see your dreams and desires get ripe. This training will be useful both to novices and old-timers, and I will explain why. If a person is a newcomer, then to be successful in our business they need a mentor or a system which is easily duplicated. With MLCI Marathon 260 you will have both. We will show and describe the system, how you may build a successful business. But we will also give you a mentor for 8 months, and we are going to lay special emphasis on teamwork. It means that newcomers who want to try their hand at this business and who haven't taken any of our trainings yet will receive tons of emotions and fun, and surely will find this training very useful and meaningful. However, this training will also be beneficial to old-timers, or I'd better say leaders. You know, I personally attended Master Profi as a student 4 times, and every time I attended Master Profi, I learned something new, discovered new things. But unfortunately, Master Profi didn't offer the opportunity of working with coaches every day. Sometime after the training, it could have been a week or a month, I gradually started to have a feeling like I am now again all by myself. The training is over. What's next? The marathon allows us to work in groups, and that's why even our leaders who think they know everything will surely learn lots of new things. You will learn and look at certain topics from a completely different angle. Especially if you are a leader, but haven't achieved the level of development or the financial situation that you are dreaming about. Financial freedom or financial independence. then this training is a must for you. It means that you are already in the company. You have certain knowledge, but you don't realize it to the full extent. That is why this training will be useful both to novices and those who have been in this business for 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 years. This training is going to be useful to anyone who wants the year 2020 to be successful. If you take a look at the price of this training, you'll see that it is unique for several reasons. First, for those who buy the EIP MLCI Marathon 260 before the 31st of January, the price will be 500 units only. They can either pay it in one go or split it into two parts. And then, for 8 months, the monthly payment for the training will be 100 units. On the second day of each month, 100 units will be debited from your back office. This means that the total cost of the training is 1,300. Let's see what kind of return on your investment you get. First, as I said, this is content, the strategy and practice. Second, all the top earners of our company will be your personal mentors, and you will be getting feedback and the techniques they use. Third, as a bonus, those partners who will attend at least 55% of the entire course will receive a free ticket to Avanti. A ticket to Avanti, just for your information, dear friends, costs 1,000 units. So, in practical terms, by participating in this training, you already get 1,000 units back, because you will be given a ticket to Avanti, which is this year to be held in Moscow. Next, a bonus within Crypto Unit program. Every participant who buys the EIP MLCI Marathon 260 as a bonus will receive Crypto Unit token points. Today, the normal price of this package is $450 or units. It means that if today you want to purchase an EIP which would give you a bonus of an X number of crypto units, you would spend on it $450. So, if we combine all these bonuses together that you get for free, you'll see that the training comes at no cost at all. Combine this with all those skills you will receive during the training. As soon as you start putting them into practice, you will see what kind of passive income you are going to receive from your structure. And this is likely the most important thing. If you take a look at my personal growth when I started attending Master Profi training, and my first training was almost 5 years ago, 4.5 years ago to be exact. I started developing my network from the 3rd month and received passive income, and gradually my earnings increased. I can assure you, dear friends, when you finish the training MLCI Marathon 260, and if you do everything that our mentors, coaches will advise you to do, you will see your network grow significantly. And your network is a huge asset. Everything that you gain today can become your heritage. Everything that you earn today will be an extra source of income for you and your family. That is why I recommend every partner, whether a novice or an old-timer, it doesn't matter, to take the training MLCI Marathon 260. You will not only get the opportunity of growth in business, as a personality and spiritually, but also receive bonuses, which will make the training for you practically free. That's why I'm looking forward to meeting all of you at our training MLCI Marathon 260. Bye-bye!